Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Mother Baby Care. Today's video is about olive oil during pregnancy. So let's start this video. Pregnancy is a great phase of your life. During this phase, you have to make healthy food choices to ensure the proper and healthy development of your baby in the womb. You should be cautious about your food choices as whatever you eat has an impact on your little one. So, if you are confused about whether to use olive oil in your pregnancy diet, just watch this video till the end. We are going to share all aspects of adding olive oil to your pregnancy diet. So, without any further delay, let's start this video. Olive oil is a great source of vitamin E and omega 3 fatty acids. Omega 3 fatty acids help to improve the baby's heart health. Using olive oil in your pregnancy diet helps to fade your stretch marks quickly. If you apply olive oil regularly on your expanded belly during pregnancy, it even lowers the chances of developing stretch marks. Is olive oil safe to consume during pregnancy? Yes, olive oil is perfectly safe to consume during pregnancy. You can add it to your pregnancy diet without any fear, as it provides several benefits to both the expectant mother and her unborn baby. Now let's talk about the benefits of olive oil during pregnancy. Olive oil provides numerous benefits during pregnancy. Some of the amazing benefits of olive oil are: first, great source of vitamin E. The vitamin E content of olive oil helps your baby to adapt better to the air-filled environment outside the womb. After birth, your baby gets it through your breast milk. It is extremely beneficial for premature babies as it helps their kidneys and pancreas to function properly. Consumption of olive oil by the expectant mother has a positive impact on the baby's height and weight. Second, prevent stretch marks. Developing stretch marks while pregnant is very common. If you include olive oil in your pregnancy diet and apply it to your belly on a regular basis, it helps to reduce the chances of developing stretch marks during pregnancy. And if you even develop stretch marks during pregnancy, applying olive oil on the affected body parts helps to fade them quickly. Third, prevent infections. Olive oil is a good source of vitamin A that helps to build a strong immune system during pregnancy. A pregnant woman is more prone to diseases or infections due to low immunity. The vitamin A content present in olive oil helps to keep an expectant mother away from various infections. Fourth, promotes fetal development. Olive oil is a good source of omega 3 fatty acids which help to improve your baby's heart health. The omega 3 content of olive oil contributes to the proper and healthy development of the fetus. Fifth, prevent cardiovascular diseases. Consumption of olive oil on a regular basis helps to prevent cardiovascular diseases during pregnancy. Sixth, development of fetus heart and brain. It is a good source of healthy fats and omega 3 fatty acids that are required for the proper development of the baby's nervous and immune system. Seventh, packed with antioxidants. Olive oil is fully loaded with powerful antioxidants and nutrients that fight inflammation. It also helps to protect blood cholesterol from oxidation, thus lowers the risk of heart diseases. 8th, healthy digestive tract. Olive oil helps to keep your digestive tract healthy. Olive oil is beneficial and perfectly safe to use during pregnancy, but remember to apply or consume it in the right amount. Excess of anything is harmful. So be cautious about your food choices, especially during pregnancy. And if you are planning to include olive oil for the first time in your diet, then consult your doctor before adding it to your pregnancy diet. So that's all about today's video. If you have any questions regarding this topic, you can ask them on the comment section. To know more on this topic, you can click on the link given in the video's description box. If you guys like this video, then give it a thumbs up and share it with your loved ones. Visit our website www.motherbabycare.in and also like our Facebook page www.facebook.com/motherbabycare.in. Like, share this video and do subscribe our channel Mother Baby Care. Thanks for watching this video.